Hey everyone! Okay, so I am coming to you with some super exciting news. It is a free join for free month extension into October. So I wanted to give you a little bit of um, the kind of like the details and kind of show you the products and what that all means and just break it down for you. So it is open a Norwex Consultant account for free month. You just cover the shipping of the kit for $9.95. So let me give you knowing that there is also four different types of ways that you can open up a consultant account. So I'm just going to kind of show you these here really quick. Um, so let's see here. If we kind of look through this, there is the Join for Free starter kit. So let's start there. And then there's the skincare starter kit. That's another option. The Save Haven 5 starter kit. And then the fourth one is standard starter kit. So let me just kind of break this down. All right. So let's start with the Join for Free starter kit. You are going to get 3 sets of samples. You're going to get our basic core products, which is the Enviro cloth and the window cloth, except that you're going to get it in form of samples. So there are these 10, you're going to get 10 of each. This is the window cloth, okay? And then you're going to get the Enviro cloth, 10 of these samples as well. Now, you're thinking, okay, well, how am I going to use these little bitty ones? Well, you can use it a different way. Of course, when you are opening up a consultant account, one of the primary reasons a lot of people open up a consultant account, it's like their first instinct, is because they want to be able to have the Norwex sustainable, healthier products in their home to clean their home and also for their skin, right? Like they want that lifestyle, and everybody deserves to have clean ingredients for their cleaning their home. Okay, so everyone deserves that. So this is a great way to get started to opening up that consultant account and gain all the benefits of the consultant, which is a 35% discount, right? So you're going to be able to take these and just say, hey, have you ever, have you been using this in your home? Like, this is amazing. I've been using this in my home for a while. Hey, I have 10 of these, like, who wants to give it a shot? Who wants to give this a try? Like, I love this. This is awesome, right? But you might be out and about and have these conversations. It's just so good to have. Be like, here, I actually have 2 little samples. You can take it and use it. So the other little sets, it's the facial cloth. So it's the body and face cloth that we're so used to using it to wipe and remove makeup from our face, but also to cleanse our face. If you have oily skin, this is great. This is great. This is so great. If you're prone to lots of breakouts, this is a must. Like, it is a must. Starting out with this is huge. It will normalize your skin, the oils in your skin over time. So it is a great, great, great thing to have. For your teenagers, helping them as they learn, before they hit the teenage years, just to have that routine of cleaning their face, because we all know we need that, right? Day and night. Like, doesn't matter if you're a male or a woman, female, it is important to wash your face and have that good hygiene habit, right? Okay, so that is what you're going to get. All you do is cover the shipping. So $9.95 for the shipping, and then they send you these 3 sets of these samples that you can tuck away. All right. Now, with this, you also are going to have the privilege of maybe later down the road, you decide, this could be something helpful for income purposes for my family. So whether and it may not be something that you're thinking about now, but it's just nice. You don't have the commitment of the sales. And it's just a great way to get started. But also, once you join for free, you can get your auto ship set up. So auto save gives you the ability to be able to use the 35% discount on your products, your consumables, like your laundry detergent, dishwasher, stain remover, booster, like all the things that we need, skincare, especially laundry detergent. And you can set auto ship for it to just come to your front door every 6 months, every 3 months, however you need it, every month if you need it, right? But if you do it 3 months, 6 months, you can do it, you can have a bigger amount where, let's just say you end up doing the math. It makes so much sense. You end up doing the math and you're like, oh my goodness, I've been spending, $200 at the grocery store for just paper towels, toilet paper, and just some cleaners that I use around the house, like all-purpose cleaner, Windex, things like that. Floor cleaners, wipes, duster wipes, like I use it on a regular, and it ups to 200 or 250. Well, you can save because you're going to get that 35% discount. You're going to get healthier products, cleaner ingredients, right? But then you're also going to save. So if even if it's just 150, or like, let's just say you set it up on autosave for $87 a month, that's $57 with your consistent discount, right? Plus you get that extra 10% off of future auto ship orders. So it's huge. And at 150, you're already getting free shipping. So it's like, it makes so much sense. Not 150 that you spend, but it's 150 retail. With your discount, it's less than that, right? So, oh my goodness, where you're spending 200, 250, now all of a sudden you can spend less than 150, or 160 with tax, maybe 107, but no shipping. It's like the same thing as driving to the store and wasting an hour, right, to just go get your things, or running out of them consistently. And then you deserve something clean. So that is what this Join for Free starter kit is so good for. Okay, so let's go into option two. Option two is some consultants really, or some people, some customers, some people that Norwex users might have been introduced to Norwex, and not because of the cleaning piece, but they were really drawn to the skincare and the clean skincare. So that's what option two gives you, that ability to be able to get the skincare set for $109, okay, plus the $9.95 shipping. So that is option two, and you can start it out like that. Still, there's no sales requirement, so there's no risk involved. Later on, you could, decide that, hey, I want to use this for income purposes for my family, whether it's fund money, retirement money, whatever you're looking for, preschool money, extracurricular activities money. Boy, all my kids' clothes money, right? Like, that's what this can be. Maybe you are into supplements, and they're $500 a month, and that would cover it. So whether you do Join for Free or skincare starter kit, this is a great way to get started. For different types of reasons in different kits. Now you can still set up auto ship for your that's why this is huge, is because for all of your refills, right? You keep the bottle; it's a forever bottle, but you get the refill fills $10 less, cheaper. And then on auto save or auto ship, same thing, you are also going to get that 10% discount on your future order. So it makes sense to set this up as you get started right away, right, with the starter kit. Because you're going to love it and you're going to want them, and it's going to make your skin feel so good, and it's going to make you feel good. It's just something about clean skin and feeling good where it changes it from the inside out. So it's amazing. Okay. This third option is the Safe Haven 5 starter kit. That's for $87. Okay, now here, your reason for joining Norwex might be because you are fresh new to Norwex and you're just now learning, and this kit is actually the 5 main basic products that we talk about. It's the window cloth, the Enviro cloth. It's the laundry detergent, the dusting mitt, and the cleaning paste. So you're going to get those 5. And instead of paying the full amount for in the bundle, it comes in a box like this. The bundle is usually like 100 and something, 120, something like that. You're going to get this for $87 plus the shipping of $9.95. $9.95. Okay, so this might make sense to you for you if you are brand new and you love this idea, but you also want to be able to get into other things in like your bathroom cleaners, the mattress cleaner for your mattress. Oh my goodness, if you have dust allergies and things like that, you might want to get the laundry detergent. Maybe it's every 3 months, maybe it's every 6 months. So you put those things on auto ship. So again, you start this account and you set up auto ship, right? You're going to be able, because you deserve clean um, household cleaning products, clean ingredients. And so you see the value of it, and this might be for you. Again, no sales requirement, no risk involved. Now, all of these 3, you will have the opportunity to later on if you want, or you can max it out at the beginning. There's a program called Bright Starts, and if you in any of them, if you grab an upgrade package, it makes you that much closer, right? To you get a higher discount, 42%, but then you're even closer to earning Norwex for free. So if you're like, oh my goodness, I just got to have everything and let me get the better deal, then get the upgrade packages on any of these. Select them because you're going to get free Norwex that way. I mean, that's just a done deal, right? So it just depends on what suits you, where your situation is, what your needs are, where you're at currently. The last option is our standard starter kit. This is how I began. And you get the whole thing. You get not only what's all in the safe haven, so the 5 basics, but you get also the mop system, right, with the rubber brush. And you're going to get the body and face cloths, which are right here. So you're going to get all of that in this standard starter kit. You're going to get it for free. All you pay is the $9.95. The difference between option 1 and option 4, because all you're doing is paying the $9.95, is that here you do have a sales requirement. You know that you're coming in here for the income purposes, and you know you can rock it out, and you know you have people that you are dying to share with, and you can do this. And you've done it before. You might have experience or you might not have experience. You just know that everybody needs to hear about this product, right? And so you might as well just go for it all. You're going to get the starter kit, the standard starter kit. You're going to pay $9.95. Maybe you like all the free stuff, so you're going to actually go ahead and share it, host 2 launch parties, one online, one face-to-face, and then from there, schedule 4 more, all within your first 45 days. And then you've earned your starter kit. So you sell 1,000 in 30 days or 2,000 in 90 days. I just say keep going, right? 2,060 days, 90 days. Okay, so you just keep going. And that's what this standard starter kit is all about. But for any of these, you can also upgrade, right? You can also select any of the upgrade packages because you get it at a deeper discount, 42%. For any of these, you can still go for all the free Norwex that is available through those first 90 days of starting as a new consultant. So all of that, you can once you open up a consultant account, regardless of which account, set up your auto ship. That's what I say. Like, it makes sense to go ahead and get all those things set up. Okay. All right. So here is how we're going to do this. If I am your consultant, then what you will do is you will go to join with Evelyn evelyn.com. And if you have any questions whatsoever, you can text me at 540-354-3021. But you're going to go to joinwithevelyn.com, walk through, select join now, and it'll walk you through each of the prompts, the screens, and you'll be able to sign up that way. I do recommend that you select yes for Office Suite. Once you get into that, it's free for 6 months. After that, you can set up a reminder to turn it off if you don't want it. But that is going to give you more benefits as with your actual account as well. So it makes a lot of sense to just go ahead and do it for free. You can turn it off at the end of the 3 months. Okay. I don't know if I said 6 months or 3 months, but it's 3 months. Okay. All right. And then if you are working with a consultant, I encourage you to reach out to them first. But if you don't have a consultant, I'd be glad to work with you and get you all set up with your auto ship as well. I just send you an email, text, a video, like 11-minute video, and you just watch step by step, and it shows you exactly what to do. So for that case, then if you want to work with me, join with evelyn.com. I'll be glad to be your sponsor. So if not, please definitely reach out to your consultant that you're working with. This is an amazing opportunity, and I'm just so eager to get the word out. All right, bye-bye.